I'm Professor McGuigan. I work at the School of Pharmacy in Cardiff. It's the only School of Pharmacy in Wales, and it's part of Cardiff University. I'm what's called a drug hunter. I'm there at the first minute of conceiving of a new drug. We've invented 3 new potential drugs that have gone forward from the labs in Cardiff. At peak, their value was around $3 billion. I'm a drug hunter and passionate about it. There's never been a better time to do life science in Wales. We've got some really world-leading strengths. By some measures, Cardiff, for example, is the top neuroscience research centre in the UK by some measures. We're also strong across Wales in oncology, in the treatment of cancer and in basic cancer research. The life science sector is strong in pockets in Wales, but too fragmented. It's what led Edwina Hart, a wonderful minister, our business minister, to dream up the idea of having a sector panel in life science to bring in world leaders to look at strengths and weaknesses and to plan a strategy. The hub is really exciting. It's a central pillar of our whole strategy. What we've decided to do is have a physical space. Here it is. We purposefully chose Cardiff Bay to be in the thriving capital city of Cardiff, at the bay, right next door to government, within a stone's throw of the Senedd, the seat of power here, because we want government to be involved, to see the opportunities, to see the challenges and to involve them. We want AMs to be better informed about life sciences. We think that's really important for Wales. So we will have a physical space. If we think about who's going to be in the hub, the Arthurian Life Science Fund will be there, Fusion will be there, Finance Wales will be there. So financiers, if you want to pitch an idea, this will be the true Dragon's Den, the Welsh Dragon's Den. It's where you'll pitch your idea. Money is there available. Already spent $6 million this year from Arthurian, 94 left to spend. At the moment, we're looking at over 250 ideas to fund from that Arthurian Life Science Fund. We'll have the health team of Welsh Government in the hub. We will have patent agents in there to advise on patenting. We'll have regulatory people there advising on how to get through the hurdles of the FDA, etc. So everything you need will be there. We'll have about 100 people more or less in the space, 12,000 square feet. Open July 2014. It will become the nerve centre for all of life science in Wales. If you're in life science and you're in Wales, you will need to be in the hub. I couldn't be more excited. And the day that we get our first drug invented in Wales, approved and on the pharmacy, will be an exciting day. And I think it's not long from now. We are successful, but I'm confident that we'll be even more successful with the hub, with the vision that we've got. Being led by Mrs. Hart, being led by Sir Chris Evans, it's hard to think that this won't be a very significant turning point for Wales.